Okay, so we haven't done a video in a while, so yeah, I just got this air purifier. The previous air purifier is kind of old, so yeah, let's just unbox it, test it out, and just make a quick video about it. Okay, and I think here we go. Whoa. Man, I just can't lift anything. I think the camera is all at the wrong place. Okay, here it is. It's not that heavy, to be honest. Please remove the plastic bag. Okay, so they actually have instructions. So that's basically the unboxing part of it. I'm just going to test it out. So what I found interesting was it actually gave a very quick notice. It sticked it on the back of the air filter. I think not enough companies do this enough, because like this air filter, this piece originally came in a plastic bag, but they have very good instructions to just tell the buyer they need to remove the plastic bag. I don't think enough companies do this, just to like let the customer know, a quick note to let the customer know how to get the most out of the purchase they just made. So that's a very nice touch. In fact, I think I'll be telling a few of my clients to do that. I mean, these are the little things which really add value to your products and service without actually costing you that much. Okay, so that's a nice touch. So yeah, there are many modes here, and the first time when I turned it on, it's like didn't actually give me a good impression because it's like that loud. I'm not sure if the microphone can pick it up. Like, yeah, it's like quite loud. Louder. It's louder than I expected. The good news is it's actually blowing the air upwards, so the cold air will actually rise up, and that helps with the air ventilation. So probably I can turn off my ceiling fan after this. So yeah, very quick unboxing. It has some ionizer features, but frankly I won't know how to evaluate those. Yeah, but hope this unit just improves the air quality in this small working area. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.